with another video with my voice gone as hell. I don't know what's going on with me. At first I had strep and now I don't know what the hell. So excuse my voice, you guys. Anyways, today's video, as you see in the title, we finna be doing a look with this new Anastasia palette. And I'm super excited. So with that being said, y'all give this video a thumbs up and let's get into it. I just feel so horrible. But I love you guys and I love doing what I do. So I'm going to fucking push the shit out of myself. And look at this scratch. You guys, the struggle is real. Also, look at this little bracelet I got. It's Guess. It's cute. And I got a lamp here for obvious reasons because my lighting is horrible. So I don't know if it makes it better or not. So we'll see. But let's have a quick glimpse of this palette. Here is the packaging.
Hey,
it is
Mommy.
the Anastasia Riviera.
How you do your makeup?
Yes, boy. It looks like this.
Mommy, are you doing your makeup?
Yes. Let's take her out.
Oh, no, Saya. Esto no. No.
It's hard. Alright, you guys. So I finally got the palette out of the package. Here it is up close. Now, I'm sure you guys have probably seen the palette like a million times already since it came out. But I don't care. Girl, bye. If you don't want to see it, then click off this video because, you know, I'm finna do my own little review, my own little look with it. So that's what it's going to be. Anyways, here's the shades. Very, very cute. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys. This is my second palette by Anastasia. The only other palette I have is a Soap Culture. And, you know, everybody was talking shit about that. They were saying that palette was busted as hell. And for me, it was okay. So, we're going to try out this baby. I'm going to pop on some brows and foundation real quick. And we're going to get it popping. I'm excited. These colors are like up my alley for real. So, I will see you guys in a second. Alright, you guys. So, I went ahead and did my brows and put on some foundation and stuff. You guys, this scratch is just, it's got to go. Anyways, let's get to this gorgeous palette. I'm actually use the brush that came with the palette just for the sake of the palette. You know what I mean? And here's how the brush looks. And you guys, I know, well, and I've heard from many people that Anastasia brushes are really, really good. Like, they are just awesome. And so this is the first brush that I get to try from them, all except the brow brush because, you know, I had to get that. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and put a base on our eyes. I'm just going to be taking this little guy right here by Essence, and we're going to put some of this on our eyes. Normally I would put concealer, but yeah, I've been really liking that little base by Essence. It's really good. So, let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so we're going to start with a transition, and I'm going to tap into this one right here. It is called Estate, and I'm just going to be taking this end of the brush, and we're going to be putting that on. I feel like this brush is like super mini. It feels funny. Okay, it has some fallout, but nothing crazy. I really want to create something really cute and unique with this, so probably gonna pull off a little cut crease with it because we have a lot to fucking work with, like a lot. So let's move on. The next shade I'm gonna dip into is this one right here. It is called Monte Carlo. Again with this brush, and let's put it. And I'm just gonna like kind of like stamp it on. Oh my gosh, you guys, and this wasn't even that dark, and it's going on like gorgeous. Do you guys see this? And I'm gonna kind of like wing it out a little more. Oh my gosh, OMG, that is so pretty. Wow. I think I'm gonna tap into a little bit more and just do the same, just kind of stamp it on. You guys, I want to get like their whole entire collection. I love, love, love Anastasia. Okay, now we're going to tap into the even intense one right here called the Bahamas. Girl, this is so fucking gorgeous. Look at that pigment. Let's see. It's got some fallout, but I mean, what palette don't? You guys, my voice. Oh, it sounds so funny. Don't worry if it looks a little uneven, because we're going to clean it up with some concealer. So, don't even worry, boo. Don't come for me, okay? You guys, that looks so pretty. Like, look how perfectly blended it is. Like, it doesn't have no patchiness or nothing. Alright, now with an even more precise brush, you see it's just a little bit thinner. I'm going to kind of tap into the purple. I hope I don't mess this up, but I'm going to kind of like incorporate it, if you know what I mean. So, plus it kind of gives us the chance to try out more than, you know, 2 colors. So I'm just gonna like start it right here. Y'all know purple is like my favorite color. Oh, you guys, it's so freaking pretty. So gorgeous. And no patchiness, like none. That's pretty. Y'all can't even say that's not pretty. Let me change the music. Like, alright, you guys, this is so cute. Like, it is so cute. I hope I don't get copyrighted, so I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit more so I can feel my vibe. And comment down below if y'all know this song. And whoever gets it right, got something for you. Now I'm gonna take some concealer and we finna cut this crease. I'm gonna actually take this Becca right here, if I can get it out. Are you serious, dude? Are you gonna come out, bitch? Alright, I'm gonna take this Becca concealer right here. I think it's just easier to do cut creases with concealer that comes in little containers. Like, it really is. So, where's my brush I want to use? Come on, y'all. It's my song. I just want to sing. Take this brush right here. Alright, so I kind of did like a half cut crease, because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and you guys, this concealer is good as hell. Like, it is super thick and creamy. Like, I bet it will look good like under the eye. So now where's my other brush that I'm finna use, because we finna spruce it up in this bitch. I just want to sing. I just want to sing. Alright, what do I want to use? This is hard. I'm gonna do something different. I think I'm gonna try out this color right here. It is called Mediterranean, and I'm gonna wet the brush. You know, I just want to do something different. I don't want to like be doing the same shit all the time, you know. So I'm gonna take my little Morphe spray right here, spray it on the little cute Morphe brush, you know, and we gonna dip into this. Oh, that setting spray just smells so good. Okay, hopefully this looks cute and it don't look stupid. It's going on. She's going on. OMG. OMG. Let's play another. Let's play this. I'm just trying to get in a mood, you guys. Like,
multi-camera platform.
You know.
Studio has a vast array of connecting options designed to best fit your production needs. Share directly.
Let's see if I can sing with my voice.
An all-in-one wireless.
Somebody got in trouble. Y'all better know this song. I went ahead and popped on this side. I know y'all know this song. I'm gonna add another color on this eye. Let me grab my mic. Somebody rare is hard to find. Somebody worth all your time. Somebody who tell you the truth. Someone who loves you for you. Someone who knows all of your flaws. And I can't sing because my voice is gone. Let you be free, doesn't deceive. They give you a chance to believe in something. Is that too much? Okay, let me put on this damn shadow on mine. I'm gonna put on this one. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and put the shadow on. I'm playing too much, so I'm gonna put this one on this eye to see how it does. It's called, I can't even pronounce it. Like, I really can't. So, let's see. Oh my gosh, so pretty. A little goes a long way too, boo. Beautiful. I'm speechless, you guys. This palette, though. Damn. Look at this eye, and then look at this eye. Like, wow. Okay, we gotta even it on up. Now I'm gonna go back in with this little pink one and just even, you know. Alright, you guys. So, we got these eyes done, and I'm telling you, it's looking fucking gorgeous. I had to do a wing liner. You already know. I do gotta clean up here a little bit, but that's it. Now we gotta put on some highlighter. And since we use an Anastasia, might as well use some Anastasia highlight. This is the Aurora palette. Let me get my little brush. And then we're gonna put some Anastasia lip on. I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called Lyra. I don't know. But we're gonna put some of that on. Cause, bitch, she be fucking glowing. She gotta be glowing. Ugh, so fucking pretty. Like, Anastasia never fucking fails. By the way, don't laugh at my singing, you guys. Like, I feel like I could actually sing when my voice is not all like this. So, don't. Alright, let's put something on our lips. I'm literally just going to use this because this is one of my favorite ones by Anastasia. And it's not matte, it's like a gloss, and I just love it. And then we're going to set our face. You know, it would be really cool if they came out with like a, I done forgot what I was going to say. Damn it. I try to remember. But girl, we looking cute. Like, y'all watch y'all's man. Watch y'all's man, okay? I'm just fucking with y'all. Okay, I'm going to take Morphe spray and I'm going to set my face. You guys, this concealer right here is good. It's good. Like, no fucking bullshit. It is fucking good. Now let's go over this palette and then we're going to get hyped for a minute. Alright, you guys. Well, this is the finished look, obviously. Man, my thoughts on this palette, you guys, right here. If you are a big-ass Anastasia fan like I am, girl, go get you this palette. Go get it so you can add it to the collection. It costs $45. I know that may seem like a lot, but honey, you're getting quality because, I mean, look at these eyes. It's got pigment. It blends fucking bomb as fuck. The color range is fucking awesome. Like, girl, go get you one. Anyways, you know, I might even do a little giveaway on this palette. So show me some love. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Don't forget to like, again, comment, and subscribe. Let's get hype for a minute, boo. Let's get hype. Get hype with me, you guys. Like, before I get off of here. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Please don't copyright me, YouTube. Go get you one of these, cause this palette is fresh as fuck and it works, bitch. Take a look. Just take a look. That highlight though. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Anyways, y'all give your girl some love. I love all you bitches. See you guys on the next fucking video.